You can also go from
Mhm.
$14.95 to $14.99, and that may seem subtle, but that's 4 cents a sale, and that can add up.
Okay. How would I ask about increasing profitability? So this account actually has been with us for quite a long time. They're selling like dental removers. Okay, so we recently launched this 30 pack of
Okay.
liner removals. So but we wanted to actually improve the profitability wise. I was hesitant to have it increase the pricing because the competitors are about just the same pricing and they did not change.
High review listing, it can afford to go up in price and you can test it. I would definitely keep that on the table. Price increase on this item, it can manage it.
Okay. So even if the competitors are also in the
Yeah.
same price range.
Yep.
Okay.
You should test the
So,
price increase. You could always go back down. Be like, hey, we're going to test a price increase to see how much it hurts conversion and
mhm.
how much it helps improve everything else, like profit, etc.
Should we increase it about like 5% or $1 in a day
50
to achieve?
cents, dollar, you could test both out, see what happens. You can also go from
Mhm.
$14.95 to $14.99, and that may seem subtle, but that's 4 cents a sale, and that can add up.
All right. So we'll try that out. Yeah, that's just the main concern here. Otherwise, we're actually, it was a good addition that we have already the 30 pack. It will help lower the ACOS because we're having higher ACOS in the past months already. So yeah.
Pricing win on this one?
Yes, I think the
Okay.
pricing
So
would be a very big help for us.
yeah, the takeaway on this is don't be afraid to adjust pricing. You can always go back, right? So if you test
Hmm.
going up, you can go back down. If you test going down, you can go back up. Having static pricing is worse. It'd be better to have dynamic pricing. Change it once a month, change it every other month. Even if it's up or down, doesn't matter.